Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing the content and intent. You must enable Apple Intelligence and sign in. Once done, select the exact source text you will rewrite and identify the tone and length constraints so the system knows your goal. Next, open the rewrite interface and choose the only permitted rewrite method. Do not switch modes. Make sure to set language and stylistic presets before processing. This first action gets the engine primed with context, which is critical for accurate, coherent output. You now execute the middle steps that shape output quality. Start by setting paraphrase depth and synonyms toggles. These control how far sentences are reworked versus preserved. Then, instruct the tool to maintain specific facts, dates, or names so meaning stays intact. Once the first draft appears, read for flow and accuracy, make inline refinements, and regenerate if needed. Keep iterations tight. Small targeted changes produce better results than wholesale rewrites. You finish by locking tone, length, and formatting, then export the rewritten text and save a version copy so you can revert. After that, perform a factual and clarity pass, verify dates, names, and technical terms, then apply minor tweaks as needed. If the rewrite stumbles or produces errors, try one key troubleshooting step. Simplify the input prompt, clear the app cache, and restart the single allowed rewrite flow. If problems persist, reduce paraphrase depth and rerun. That usually fixes distortions quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.